Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the front grille, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color of the grille and it also gives it a more sportier look. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the grille. So to prep it, all we need is a spray bottle mixed with water and baby shampoo. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and just start removing all the contaminants that the panel may have. And then once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that the panel is completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film does not get damaged, because if it touches any wet surface, then the film is not going to stick to the panel even if you apply heat. So we need to make sure that the panel is completely clean. So once you finish prepping the panel, you can go ahead and start with the installation. So once you have your film, you can start from either side of the panel, just as long as wherever you start, you align it to the top edge, and just make sure you give yourself a little bit of excess material just to cover the top layer here. And then just place the other section on the other side. That way we can focus on one end and make our way to the other side. So just align it and place the film, lift it carefully, and just follow the design of the panel. And also make sure as you're aligning and tacking down the film, make sure that it covers all of the chrome on the grille. So just go ahead and finish it off, align it, reach it to the other section here of the curve, and then back to the top. Once you place the film, go ahead and grab your squeegee and start tacking it down. With this one, there is a big gap where you could tuck in the material. That way you can have full coverage on the grille. So just make sure you tuck it inside and remove any bubbles that are in the middle section here. So just do this for the whole panel, and then whatever is excess material, that material we can trim off afterwards. So just make sure you tuck in as much as you can. Once we tack down the film, we can now see what is excess material. So to remove it, all you need is your blade. Find the gap between the grille and the bumper. So make an outline. Once you find the gap, insert your blade and just carefully and slowly trim off the excess material. So just go ahead all around the panel, and this should remove everything, and you should still have coverage underneath here. So you just do this all around the edges and remove the excess material. And also trim off any excess material if you have any on the inside of the panel. Once you finish trimming the whole film, you can come back, apply heat around the edges and on top. That way we secure the film. And then once we're done heating up all around, you're done with the installation. So this step is basically post heating. That way we help the adhesive tack down better to the panel. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete for the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.